Okay, I'm going to try number 3 from the 2015-2016 test. It's 4x minus 3y equals 60, and 2x plus 6y equals negative 30. These are both in the same form. They're in standard form, and standard form is often a good one for elimination. But we have a problem. The coefficients of x are not the same or the opposite, and the coefficients of y are not the same or opposite. But they're not going to be hard to change into something that is the same or opposite. So I'm going to copy both of these. I'm going to bring them down here. And I'm going to start off by working on x. So I need to do something to get the x coefficients the same. I've got 2 and 4. The easiest thing is to multiply this one times 2. I'll double everything, and I'll end up with a 4x. So I'm going to rewrite that one. I'll write the first one. It's 4x minus 3y equals 60 still. And the next one that I just multiplied times 2 is now 4x plus 12y equals negative 60. So I've got the same coefficient. Same minus same is 0. So I'm going to subtract. So I subtract these two. The x's go away. Negative 3y minus 12y is negative 15y. 60 minus negative 60 is 120. And then I divide everything by negative 15. So divided by negative 15, divided by negative 15, I'm going to end up with y on this side. And it always turns it into uppercase if I don't stop it. Okay, so 15 happens to go into 120. Let's see. 120 is 4 times 30. So 15 goes into 30 twice. And that's 4 times twice, so that means it goes in 8 times. But it's negative, so it's negative 8. Okay, now I have my y. I can go plug in y and solve for x, but I'm going to do this with elimination again. Copy these over again, bring them down. And now I want to get the y coefficients to be the same or opposite. My y coefficients are negative 3 and positive 6. If I double the top equation, I'll end up with a negative 6 for my coefficient for y, which is the opposite of 6 for the coefficient for the other one. So this will become, fix this, this will become 8x. This becomes negative 6y, and this becomes 120. And now, because I have opposite coefficients, I'm going to add, because adding opposites makes 0. So this becomes 10x when I add them. That becomes nothing, and equals 120 plus negative 30 is 90. So now I'm going to divide both sides by 10. And x is annoying me, but x equals 9. My solution is 9 comma negative 8, since x is 9 and y is negative 8.